Introducing the sleek 2022 Skoda Kodiaq 7S SPT 2.0 TDI 150 horsepower DSG in black. This estate vehicle packs a punch with a 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission. Loaded with comfort features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth and ambient lighting, this Kodiaq ensures a smooth ride. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Stylish additions like chrome package and roof rails make heads turn. With a full health and safety check, manufacturer specified servicing, and comprehensive warranty, this Skoda is ready to hit the road. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information today.